sleeping in the haze. I'm lost in the rhythm of this iron maze. Concrete heartbeat pulsing in the dark. Every single tower started from a spark. We're building empires, we're touching the sun. The battle for the skyline has only just begun. From the gutter to the penthouse, feel the climb. We're rewriting history, one floor at a time.
Can you feel the weight? Can you feel the pride?
The whole world is watching.
Nowhere to hide.
Cities of steel,
Rising from the dust in the power of the iron, we put our trust. Higher than the heavens, stronger than the gold. The greatest story that was ever told.
cities of steel. London, Dubai, to the New York lights. We're the kings of the neon, the lords of the heights. It's a symphony of glass, it's a war of the stone. Sitting on the summit, we're never alone. Every crane is a weapon, every beam is a bone. We built this jungle and we call it a home. Through the thunder and the rain, we stand our ground. The loudest silence you ever found.
Cities of steel, rising from the dust in the power of the iron, we put our trust. Rising from the dust in the power of the iron.
We put our trust. I see the gold in the windows when the sun goes down. A billion lights flickering like a diamond crown. Paris, Shanghai, the horizon is wide. Gravity is nothing but a ghost on the side. We don't just build, we define the era. Looking through the lens of a new chime. Mirror the peak is the point where the soul meets the sky. And we ain't coming down, we were born to fly. The world is a blueprint. We are the architects of the infinite.
Cities of steel, rising from the dust in the power of the iron, we put our trust. Rising from the dust in the power of the iron.
Higher,
Higher,
stronger,
stronger,
beyond the clouds,
beyond the clouds,
beyond the lights.
beyond the lights.
This is our dominion.
Cities of steel, rising from the dust in the power of the iron, we put our trust. Higher than the heavens, stronger than the gold. The greatest story that was ever told. Cities of steel, the age of giants.
The age of giants. Cities of steel.